G'day folks, and welcome back to Metal Mania 3D in the Diecast workshop. Here we're just going to have a quick wheel swap on a BMW Z8 Coupe. It's from Realtoy. It's got all of the details pretty good on it from the factory with this Realtoy one here. I was able to manage to find at a market, and it's in really good shape. Doesn't have any damage to it anywhere else there. It's actually got really nice tampos on there, if you can see the decals. Same on the back here, and all that there's all nicely done in shape. Around the window moulds, all them sorts of things. Same in there, a little tampo up near the vent. Same around the back. I will do some other bits and pieces here, but at the moment it's quite a nice casting. I just don't like the stocky wheels on it, don't really do it any justice. So we're going to make a big difference by doing a swap. Just a wheel swap. That's all we're going to do to it. It's quite a nice looking car the way it is without moisten it, and then if you ever want to turn it back to original for some reason, we're going to put a set of Bridgestone Potenzas on here. Pretty sure that's what they are. Get it up on here. Yep, Bridgestone Potenzas on there on our Comold rims. So we're going to whack a set of those on there. I've already drilled the base, and they've just got the little fine pins on these, as you can see there. You can see the BMW Z8 Coupe. It's a 158 scale, 164 most of the saw class it is. Anyway, I already pre-drilled all of this before, just to make it a bit quicker and all that there. And it's a bit tight, it gets a little bit tight. I don't mind it being tight because that means one good thing there. You haven't drilled it down too far. Some of them just need a little bit of a little help up like that there, just as gentle as that. Pop it up. Now this, from what I've worked out on these, I haven't played with a lot of what they call the Realtoy. So from what I gathered here, this is going to come up and the wheels are going to sit there on the trim. So, oh, why is it doing this? There we go. Now, yeah, right, so the wheels just sit in the trim there, and that holds it back into place, just sits in there, so a bit easier than I thought. So we get rid of the stockies out, get those out of there. Looking forward to putting these and getting these on here. It's going to make a huge difference to this car. Let's see how we go here. And the base back in gently into place. There we go. Wow, this looks pretty trick. Like I was saying, it's already got all done up the front. Just those wheels there make it there look good. It's actually got, when we actually do some more to it later on, like I said, you'd probably leave it alone for the moment. It's not in my greatest rush hurry. But we'll do something with the exhaust, stainless exhaust, and we'll actually probably just lower it a bit. Otherwise that there, it's pretty neat. Turned out pretty cool, I reckon. Pretty hot little BMW. For the Realtoy. So yeah, some of the ones that I've done with Realtoys that I've had there, I haven't had a lot to deal with them, but most of them have got quite nice detailing and that sort of stuff on them, and they're a solid casting, so they've got a good weight about them and all that there. But yeah, that was just a quick little swap over, and got these off it. I reckon it made a big difference. Let me know in the comments what you reckon, and all the best. Everyone take care, stay safe, and we'll catch you again on the next one. See you for now.